Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance 2, Thung Judge barim Madhya Pradesh High Court, Justice Retired Mool Chan Garg, Kumu Chairman ke Expert Committee, Thung Sorkar ban Bishar Thamai ka State Reservation Policy. Sorkar Thung Ru Judge barim Allahabad High Court Justice Retired Dr. Satish Chandra, Kumu Expert Member ha Constitutional Law, Justice Chandra Udayuru President barim Custom Excise but Service Tax Appellate Tribunal. Kirteng jong kisan ngot kit khot ke expert committee ru la dep min jur da kan hun menteri ka bashong jing lang ne ka sing thoding ka la penya de menteri rang ba ka chala konrat ke sangma kilai ngot ki expert member ki de professor D.B. Kumar na ka department of sociology ni Shillong kumu expert member ha ka sociology professor Chandra Shekhar na ka department of fertility and social demography Indian Institute of Population Sciences Mumbai kumu expert member ha ka population studies but professor Subhadeep Mukherjee assistant professor of economics and public policy ka IIM Shillong kumu expert member ha ka economics ka menteri bat nong ai katin ka Sorkar kong amprin lingdo ka pentip ka kendon tri kam jong ka expert committee kan long ban bishar thamaya ka reservation policy bamta ka jala ban ai jing mut ni jing gala ka dan kam bat ban shimru ya ki chinga sa ban baro ki kin hun per na lor ban de yuk chat hakeleng ki jaka ka jala ban pa ni ki jing mut na ki pat ba ya kan ki expert committee la batha bakan IT ka khai phat shak Sorkar jala hapo ka kharal banai ka kala ban ram
Cabinet that the chairperson of this committee shall be Justice Retired Mool Chan Garg. Members will include Justice Retired Dr. Satish Chandra as an expert member in constitutional law, Professor D.B. Kumar for expert member in sociology from NEHU, Professor Chandra Shekhar for expert member in population studies from the Department of Fertility and Social Demography, Indian Institute of Population Sciences, Mumbai. And the fifth member shall be Professor Subhadeep Mukherjee, an expert from Economics, IIM Shillong. The terms of reference for the committee shall include to study the current reservation policy and recommend modifications if necessary. And number two, to undertake wide-ranging consultations with all stakeholders and visit various locations in the state to solicit the views of all stakeholders. The time frame to be given to this committee will be 12 months to complete its task. No, so now obviously once you've announced the constitution of this committee, then all political parties will obviously have to step up. And NGOs, civil society, everybody will be called by this by the news expert committee, and we've told you that their terms of references are very clear. They will look at the suggestions, views, opinions of stakeholders across the state, and accordingly submit these suggestions, views to the government of Meghalaya for further action.